Hey kids, today we will practice multiplication facts for 8. It's really important to know all your multiplication facts by memory. For example, 8 times 4 equals 32. This takes some effort, but you can do it if you stick with it. Here is what we're going to do today. For this lesson, we will review some vocabulary, then we will practice counting by 8, and then last we will practice our 8 facts in 2 different ways. First in order and then randomly. And don't forget to look for Wally today. He may join us. Let me know what fact he shows up on, okay? All right, let's begin. The numbers that you multiply, for example, 8 times 4, are called factors. Your answer, in this case 32, is called the product. You can switch the order of your factors and you will still get the same answer. You can go up and down. For example, 8 times 4 is 32, or switch it, 4 times 8, and you will still get the same answer. Our strategy today is counting by 8s. For example, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, and 88 and 96. It's okay. You'll get it after a while, and we will be practicing that a lot today. On a multiplication chart, counting by 8s would look something like this. And for example, how it works is you would say 8 times 8 is equal to 64. And with a little bit of practice, you'll be able to solve your facts pretty quickly. Let's count by 8 again. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. Nice. You ready? 8 times 0 would just be the 0 rule, so that's pretty easy. The 0 rule is any number times 0 equals 0. So, for example, 8 times 0 equals 0. 8 times 1 is just the 1 rule, and any number times 1 is equal to itself. So 8 times 1 is equal to 8. That's also called the identity property. 8 times 2 might be a good idea to use your fingers to keep track, and we would just count by 8 2 times, so 8, 16. So 8 times 2 is equal to 16. 8 times 3, you want to use your fingers, 8, 16, 24. So 8 times 3 is equal to 24. 8 times 4, right? Keep track. 8, 16, 24, 32. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5. Oh, there's Wally. Ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Or you could just count by 5s, a total of 8 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Either way will work well. 8 times 6, don't forget to keep track, right? Let's try it. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Good job. 8 times 7, keep track. Try some together. 8, 16, 24. You doing okay? 32, 40, 48, 56. Nice. 8 times 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, all the way up to 64. 8 times 9. Oh, Wally. Ready? 8, 16, 24, doing okay, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, right? Keep track. And 72, so 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10, that's pretty easy because of the 10 rule, and you just have to add a 0. 8 times 11 would be the 11 rule, and the 11 rule is you just have to double, in this case, the 8, so 8, 8 would be 88. 8 times 12, I'm just going to put them up there. It'll come, by the way, and eventually you'll memorize your facts, but just keep at it. Don't give up. All right, let's try some in random order. And I think Wally's going to probably help us. All right. 8 times 7, ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, right? 40, 48, and 56. Nice. 2 times 8, that's easy, right? 8, 16. 8 times 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, right? 40, 48, 56, 64. You're getting there. 8 times 12, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. Or another way that you could look at that is that 8 times 11, which is remember we said 11 is an easier fact, is 88, and that's just one less than 12. So you could take the 88 and add 8 more and get 96. So it's just another way of looking at that fact. 3 times 8, 8, 16, 24, right? Good. Wally likes that one. 0 times 8, remember? 0 rule. Great. 4 times 8, 8, 16, 24, 32. Perfect. 9 times 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Hang in there. 48, 56. You're getting there. 64, 72. Or another way you could think of it is that 9 is really just one less than 10. 10 times 8 is 80. So if you just take the 80 and take away 8, 72, right? Remember that? 11 rule? Wally. 88, we just double the 8. 8 times 6, 8. 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Good job. Or you could just think that 8 times 5, a lot of people know 5's easier, is 40, and you would just have to add 8 more for 48. Easy, right? One rule, or called the identity property. 5 times 8, we could just say 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Or you could look at that as a counting by 5s, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, whichever way you like best. What is that? I should have known. 8 times 10 is just the 10 rule, and you just have to add a 0 to the 8 in this case. Nice job. I think Wally thinks you did a nice job too. Please keep practicing and don't be discouraged. Thank you, and we will see you on the next one.